So I'm here at Galaxy Unpacked, Samsung's biggest phone launch of the year, showcasing their new S25 Galaxy phones. And a nifty feature is this. Now at CES we saw how a smart fridge can create a recipe for you based on what ingredients you had. Well, the good news is you don't need a smart fridge. All you need is a new S25, and this is how it works. So what you do is you hit this side button to activate Google Gemini.
Okay, I see your image of the refrigerator. How can I help you with it?
Can you suggest a couple of recipes for dinner tonight?
Sure, here's a couple of ideas. You could try a simple pasta dish with some of the tomatoes and garlic from the crisper drawer. Or there's a pineapple in the picture, so you could make a tropical stir fry with the chicken, pineapple, and some of the veggies.
The pasta sounds great. Can you tell me how to make it?
Sure. For the pasta, you'll just need to cook your favorite kind according to the package directions. Then melt some butter in a pan and add minced garlic and chopped tomatoes from the fridge. Toss the sauce with the cooked pasta and top with some fresh basil if you have it. Done.
Okay, I'm ready to make it. Is there anything else I should know?
You can add some chopped fresh parsley instead of basil if you don't have it on hand. And if you want to make it a little fancier, you can add some chopped toasted walnuts or pine nuts to the pasta.
Thank you, sounds great.
Enjoy your pasta.
And as we saw at CES a few weeks ago, there was a heap of new smart fridges which could come up with a heap of recipes based on what ingredients you have in your fridge. The good news is you don't need one of these smart fridges now. All you need is a new Samsung Galaxy S25, thanks to the AI features it has on board.